Hey guys, we're going to be sharing an article from US News that came out just a little bit ago. It's basically saying that Denver's housing market is one of the strongest. In fact, they say it's the fourth strongest housing market in the US. I want to show you, one, read that article. It's a great article. And then I want to show you some of the stats that we're looking at nationwide. As different things happen, headlines have been sensationalized. And so people are really wondering, where is the housing market? What is real estate doing? Obviously, the last time we had a recession or a major recession, the housing market caused it. Lending and finance caused it. And with some of the banks that have failed recently, a lot of people are thinking a lot of different things. So right here, you could see the employment, the unemployment rate, which the unemployment rate is continuing to grow a little bit. Consumer sentiment, it's down a little bit year over year. Here's the median home price. This is obviously nationwide, not Denver specific. And then you have rent prices. What you're seeing is home prices staying relatively steady, going down a little bit. You're seeing rent prices go up by about 5% year over year. So whenever people talk about rents here in the Denver area, it's following that trend line as well. We might have some pockets that are escalating faster than that. This right here is pretty awesome to see the supply indicators. This is the major factor that's keeping our housing market where prices aren't going to be reduced, is because we don't have enough supply. You see here builder sentiment. Builder sentiment is extremely low. It bottomed out in December and it's coming back, but the number of new homes that have been started, extremely low. You're starting to see them come back a little bit. But obviously, it doesn't take a week to build a house. And so that's such a lagging measure that we're not going to see a lot of inventory come to the market in the new construction area. Rental vacancy, extremely low. You can see that there. And then housing finance, interest rates, 6.25. You're seeing foreclosures extremely low. You're seeing delinquencies extremely low. So rent to income is about 35%. Price to income is about 35%. So you're continuing to see all of these different factors show a very strong housing market, strong financing in the housing market. And then just to note, they're looking at Google searches or keyword searches. And you see here that Denver makes the list. Here we are, number 12 or whatever we are. So just some good information of how steady the whole nation's housing market is. And then also that Denver is the number 4 strongest market in the nation. So a lot of reliability there, and something that definitely needs to get more attention is how strong the housing market is and how sturdy and steady prices are at the moment. Thanks, guys. Talk to you on the next one.